We do not know if we can get through this. Trying to go to the farm, but there was big rain last night, and we're just debating if we're gonna try to cross this. Oh God, I don't know. We got a little car, very questionable. I don't know. How heavy is it? Wow. Let's see who tries first. I don't know, man. I'm like, I think we can make it, but it's real close, man. I don't know. This guy's gonna try to do it. I don't know. I don't think we can do this. I'm gonna have to just wait. What can we do? We just can wait, maybe? See how this guy does. You can make it. Shit, I don't know. Look at that. This does not look. All right, we're gonna try, I think.